Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, we are going to create a very quick and very easy, everyday makeup look that hardly takes 10 minutes of your time. And actually I am right now wearing that look on my face here, so you can see how easy and how presentable it makes you look. So it's very easy. You can just spare 10 minutes of your time and look very presentable. So if you want to know how I got this look right here, keep on watching the video till the end and do consider subscribing to my channel, share with your friends and like the video. Without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video. Hey guys, so I have prepped my skin, as in I have moisturized my face and I have used my Wadi Herbals lip balm to moisturize my lips as well. So now quickly move on to our makeup for today, everyday makeup look. So I'm going to prime my face using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. So it's a very good primer. It gives you a pink tint when you use this. So it is actually very good for everyday makeup look. So I am taking a small quantity of it and and I'm going to apply it in my T-zone. So now moving on, I'm going to just conceal few parts of my face where my skin needs a little more attention, or जहाँ पे मुझको थोड़ा सा conceal करना है. So I'm going to conceal my face now using this Insight 2 in 2 Master Coverage Concealer. Let me quickly conceal my face. I'm going to take a little for my inner eye corner where we tend to have the deepest of our pigmentation. Some on my nose, some on my forehead. Now I'm going to take one damp beauty blender to blend my concealer properly. You have to do this dabbing motion all around where and all you have applied the concealer. You don't want to drag the concealer. Now for packing in the concealer, I am going to use Maybelline का Fit Me Compact Powder. So इसके साथ ये puff भी मिलता है इसमें. I am just going to use that. Packing the concealer around my eyes. बस जहाँ creases पड़ते हैं, only on those areas I am going to pack. I am not going to pack all of my face. Now we are going to leave this powder on our face for a while now कि ये जो भी concealer है वो अच्छे से set हो जाए. By the time I am going to do my eyebrows, so I am going to use this Maybelline का Drama Gel eyeliner, but I am going to use it as eyebrow gel for today. So उसके साथ ये applicator आता है. This is a brush. I am going to use this only. Now before filling in my eyebrows, I am going to comb my eyebrows in the upward direction like this. Taking a very small amount of this gel on the brush. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrows. Now once I'm done with filling the eyebrows, I'm going to brush my eyebrows one more time. So जो भी harsh edges है वो remove हो जाए, blend in हो जाए अच्छे से. So I'm just going to brush it one more time in upward direction. Eyebrows are done. Now I'm just going to take one ऐसा fluffy सा brush and I'm just sweeping off the excess powder from my face जो हमने concealer set करने के लिए लगाया था हमारे face पे. Now we need to even out our face. So हमारा concealer set हो चुका है, बस जो excess powder है I'm just dusting it off. Now for my eyes, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty का eyeshadow palette है, and I'm going to take this shade right here. It's a nude type, थोड़ा dark brown shade, just to define my eyes a little. So I'm just going to take it on a brush, dusting off the excess product. और मैं इसको बस अपने क्रीज पे लगाऊं. So I have just applied that eyeshadow on my crease and not on my lids, you know, just to define my eyes a little better. Now moving on, I am going to use this Mars ka Fabulash mascara. So I'm done with the mascara. I think this mascara, you know, gives a really awakened eye look. So I really love this mascara and इसकी consistency because it's a cream based mascara. So you know apply करना भी बहुत easy है. It's not liquidy. And the applicator itself, oh my god, it does wonders for your eyes. You know आप जब इसको लगाते हो, so it immediately, you know, make your eyelashes looks a little longer, a little voluminized. थोड़ा सा, एंड आपके आई लैशेज भी डज नॉट स्टिक टुगेदर योर आई लैशेज. सो द वॉन्ड इटसेल्फ इज वेरी गुड. नो आंखें जगी जगी सी खुली खुली सी लग रही हैं. सो आई रियली लव दिस लुक. दैट्स इट फॉर माई आई लुक. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग एक्स्ट्रा सिंस दिस इज एवरी डे लुक. सो हम बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करना चाहते, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी वॉन्ट टू लुक प्रेजेंटेबल एंड अवेकेंड एंड थोड़ा सा यू नो कि हमने कुछ किया है, एफर्ट डाले हैं अपने फेस पे. सो आई थिंक दिस इज प्रीटी मच इट फॉर माई आईज राइट नाउ एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद द लुक दैट मस्कारा, स्पेशली द मस्कारा दैट गेव मी. Now for my blush, I have this lip and cheek tint. So ये थोड़ा सा बहुत ही peachy shade है, you know, it's a very pink based shade and I really love it, but it's highly pigmented. So इसको बहुत थोड़ा सा अप्लाई करती हूँ मैं and I just quickly blend it over. I think थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही लगा लिया मैंने लेफ्ट साइड को. Let me just, you know, blend it over. सो नाउ आई एम डन विथ माई ब्लश. मैंने ब्लश लगा लिया है, अच्छे से ब्लेंड भी कर लिया है. लाइक आई टोल्ड इट्स हाईली पिगमेंटेड. तो बहुत हल्का सा ही अप्लाई किया था मैंने, बट आई थिंक थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आपको कैमरा में पिंकी पिंकी दिख रहा है, बट ट्रस्ट मी रियल में ऐसा नहीं दिख रहा. रियल में इज़ लुकिंग वेरी प्रिटी. नाउ फॉर माई लिपस्टिक आई हैव दिस लैक्मे 925 लिपस्टिक इन द शेड रोजी संडे. इट्स थोड़ा सा यू नो न्यूड शेड है. एवरीडे लुक के लिए इट्स अ गॉर्जियस शेड. लेट मी जस्ट अप्लाई दिस एंड यू नो I'll show you guys. See how pretty this lipstick is. Ta-da! So this is it guys. This is my everyday look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I absolutely loved creating this video. And since this is, you know, my everyday look, so I can assure you guys that this look does not take, you know, more than 10 minutes of your time. So if you are running late, you know, if you are traveling or something like that, you can absolutely go for this look. You guys can rock this look better than me. If you guys like this video, do consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. So take care and stay safe, stay beautiful inside and out. I love you all. Bye bye.